Welcome back to another awful day at the Gulf Coast. 63 degrees, a little breezy. Beautiful. Hope everyone's doing good this weekend. Got a few pickups. I'm probably gonna enjoy this great weather while it's here. Last pickup I was at, they're moving back to Wisconsin. I'm like, I've never known anybody in the middle of wintertime of Florida to move to Wisconsin. She's like, yep, we're gonna freeze. Yep. Oh boy. Wisconsin. Man. That's definitely cold country. Oh boy. A little rainy and gloomy yesterday, but a little bit of breeze today. It'll be a little warmer tomorrow, and the next day, I'll take it. Beat snow. Beats the snow. I guess I've never really experienced snow. Maybe like an inch on the ground up in Ohio one time. Trash pickup was this morning, so we're just scanning it through this neighborhood real quick before I go do the pickups. I gotta go up to the used tire store and get a plug in my tire. The one I put in apparently is not holding. So now I gotta pay the 16 bucks. Ugh. You know, my luck to be like, oh, there's 3 other screws. I'm like, well, sell me another used tire, it's cheaper. $16 a plug times 3. I'll be back. I'm gonna show you a cool mailbox when I get back. I don't know how bad the wind's gonna be, but artist made this the other day. The Kraken. Oh wow. That was cool looking. It's a beautiful home. Brand new. Yeah. Old Kraken. After 16 years of being in this area, I still get this street mixed up for the one I want. The street I want is next one to the south. But we're cruising here. See what we can't find. It's garage sale weekend with this beautiful weather, so later on this afternoon, come back through and whatever they didn't sell will be sitting on the curb today or tomorrow. It'll be a fill the truck and trailer up weekend for sure. Hopefully. Gotta be optimistic. Probably too early to find any goodies now. It's the only drawback when you have beautiful weather like this. You got the people that want to work on around the house, and you got the people that are like, oh, I see a bunch of tears. They're like, oh, I'm gonna go out and enjoy this weather. Go to the parks. Even though it's breezy, there's a lot of people be on the water. Even though the Gulf temperature is still chilly, they'll still go. Let's hope they're not PVC. No. Now I hope they're aluminum and not steel. Hey, they look like aluminum to me. Look like they've been sitting. Yeah, that'll work. I don't know. Should be cast aluminum. Some of what we picked up already. Some old chairs. Flat screen TV. It probably doesn't
I could take it apart because I just found a there's what they call a smash room up here. So I can take whatever goodies are in here, probably not much. And then, because my scrapyard won't take them, so I just take them to the smash room, put them back together, and they take them for free. That's a bonus. Stainless steel boat FM or VHF antenna. Got coffee pot. Some more junk chairs. Some miscellaneous. Right. Let's grab the magnet. That's a steel. No, cast aluminum. Cool. I said cast aluminum, but I'm wrong. They're just aluminum. And there's for what these pay versus dirty, it's not even worth breaking them, taking the plastic off. So they can put a bunch of screws in there. So send them. Walked out and she's like, "Hey, do you take copper too?" I said, "Of course." Easy to strip. One razor blade and go. Look at that. Free impact Torx nut runners, sockets. Heck yeah. I like shopping at the free 99 curb store. Cool. I'll have to organize this later. Oh well. That's nice. Free 99, baby. Cool. Well, that was nice taking the wrong street. 4 aluminum chairs and a handful of Bear Bright copper. Well, I'll have to strip it. Heck yeah. It's good. Some of my best finds have been taking the wrong streets. Oh, I don't want this street. And then they're like, oh, I do want this street. Someone coming in from the water. Oh, what's that bump? What do we got? What do we got? Lubradors. No, no thanks. They were metal, yeah. Tower, found the road. Let's go pick up a water heater, or as everybody else calls them, hot water heater. I'll be back when we get there. Someone's having a new home up on stilts, modular, or as we call it, beer can on wheels, mobile home. Where's this heater at? Almost at the end of the street. I don't see it. I'll have to go back and look at the address. Good thing about putting your home that high up, you don't have to pay flood insurance, and that'll save you a lot of money. You just have to get wind insurance. Almost at the end of the road. See a trash can. Alright, I'll be back, sorry. Apparently I drove past it, but either someone got it or it's not at the curb like he said. I don't know. Starboard, so it's right around here. Of course, if I get 64 or somewhere. What did I say? Something like that. Oh well, at least it's a beautiful day out to be lost. Rats, I'll be back. Alright, there's the water heater. He threw in 4 more chairs. So I got a strap. I'm close by. I'll go home and take the chairs off the truck and throw them on the trailer because they take up so much room. Today's Saturday and no scrapyard until Monday. See you again. Take care. Video, the man's like, hey, you got any use for old phones? I'm like, yeah. A bunch of droids. So I got 4 of them. I don't count 6, but no problem. Send them up to Silver Scorpion, scrapping metals. Go from there.
You got any room in there for a dryer?
No, but I'll be back.
Okay, I'm down on Cabin Court. I'll throw it on the side of the road.
Is it a front loader or a top loader?
Front loader.
Yeah, I'll be back in about 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna offload some of this. Cabin Court?
Yep.
Thank you.